Well, let's get started. Here is the agenda. I will make a call roll. Okay, first, Izzat,
Here.
Ili,
Yes, here.
Azian,
Yes, I'm here.
Hai,
Yes, here.
Kai.
Yes.
Alright, we have quorum. Well, let's proceed. Miss Secretary,
Yes.
are there any changes in the agenda?
No changes for this time.
Thanks, Kai. If there is nothing else, I will look for a motion to approve the agenda as received. I'm so sorry for making this meeting in this consequence. This because I cannot be in Malaysia for 2 months due to the commitment in other project in US. So, Miss Secretary, Miss
Yes.
Harira, do you have the minute from the last meeting?
Yes, I do. I have the minute from the last meeting. Let me just take the main points of the last meeting. In order to make the work environment safer, we already decide to choose using alarm system user for our security management, and the solution will be monitored by Ms. Izzat. For the second, we already choose to provide suitable facilities and assistive technology to make the work environment safer for to make the work environment disabled friendly and monitored by Ms. Media, that is me. And lastly, we already decide to train the workers on paperless usage and use sensor based in the building with monitored by Ms. Azian. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Hi.
Welcome.
So, if there is nothing else we need to be discussed, let's move on to today's agenda. Today, I want to all of you update about our discussion last month. Can we start with Mr. Izzat? So, Izzat, what is your progress within this month?
Okay. I've shortlisted a few suppliers for the alarm system. Currently, I'm still working with Miss Liani and Miss Karia in order to choose the best supplier within our budget. Unfortunately, for the user ID supplier, we have faced a problem in which we found that the supplier we currently dealing with having a bad review. So we quickly terminated the deal, and now we are still searching for the new supplier for the user ID system. That's all.
If that the case, okay, thank you, Izzat. If that the case, when you have found a few lists of supplier for both system, please email me the list so that I can review it. Okay?
Okay, sure. I'll try my best to email to you within 2 days.
Okay, thank you, Izzat. And please make sure to choose the best supplier with the best system, because I really don't want the previous break-in incident to happen again. I'm saying this because we have the budget, so no need to worry, okay?
Okay.
So, Miss Ilani, do you already go through the budget? Is it relevant with this project?
Oh, yes, Mr. Manager. I already go through all the budget and the price range is within our budget.
If that the case, Mr. Izzat, when you have found a few lists of supplier for both system, okay, sorry.
Yes, Mr. Manager.
Sorry.
Okay. I think Izzat still searching for the supplier for the user ID system.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Manager, can I volunteer to help Mr. Izzat to find the best supplier in order to make this project success?
Sure, Miss Arin. if there is no issue, you guys can proceed to run this project.
Okay, such a good teamwork to both of you. If you guys need anything about the suppliers detail, just tell me. Maybe I can help you to find the supplier from the previous project.
So now I will move to the next date. If
Okay.
I'm not mistaken, we already decide to upgrade the facilities and the system, which is use color code keyboard, use barely system, and use speech recognition for disabled friendly workers, right?
Yes?
So Kai, what is your progression for the disabled friendly workers?
Okay, sir. For the progression for upgrading the facilities, I already called the construction company to build the toilet and parking area that can meet the requirement for disabled friendly workers. I decided to build the disabled friendly workers at every level and provide a strategic area to both the occupied parking which can ease them to move. The parking will be built near the entrance and doesn't have any obstacle which will affect their movement. For the system upgrading, I already contacted the IT company which are specialized with the system for disabled friendly workers and they already agreed with it. Throughout of this progression, I have done the budget required to this improvement and I already sent the budgeting to Ely and Ely, is the budget are possible or not?
Oh, thank you, Kai. I already received the budgeting for your project throughout this budget. I am pretty sure that the budget are sufficient for our planning. However, there is some minor mistake and it's not affect the whole budget that you give to me. Therefore, I will make some correction and submit it directly to the manager.
Thank you, Kai, for your update about this project. Such a fast action and it is very good. And Ili, once you already fix the budget, you can submit it to me. Okay?
All right, Mr. Manager.
Good. Then we move to the updates from ASEAN about training the workers on paperless usage and use sensor based in the building.
Thanks, manager. I have proposed the budget for my part to Miss Iliani from last week, and the budget is about 300,000 ringgit for 2 elements that we are going to do. First is about to train the workers to reduce paper usage. I have discussed with the Department of Environment to get a contribution in providing environment talk that relate with the effect of paper usage to our workers. And next, the talk will be conducted by their officer. Besides that, I will change our company documentation keeping using Google Drive system. The system can be run specialized only for our company. Moreover, I have sent the proposal to Google Drive to build the system and train our workers to use the system.
Great, ASEAN. I'm very impressed. Please note that about to make it password from Google Drive system for our document keeping security. How about the second one?
Sure, manager. I will make sure that every department will have their security password and every workers will have their personal password to access the system. And then the workers only can access their personal password for each their department and position. And then the main password will be available for head of department to manage the system and to access. And the second element is about to use sensor base on our company, right? So
Yes.
I have discussed with the representative of electrical construction to change all our certain facilities which are water and electrical. solve with our system. And then here we will change all the lamp and water pipe in this building after the budget are approved.
Okay, that's amazing, Azian. I think the progress of keeping the document will be more efficient and all. I hope the sensor system also can help us to reduce the environment pollution. In my opinion, we can make effort to reduce the paper use by using the digital keeping for all documentation and record. We can train our workers. We've put a limitation of paper usage for every department.
Oh, yes, I agree with you, Miss Azian. That was a great idea in creating an environment friendly. Besides, reducing paper also can reduce the cost of our inventory.
Yes, I also agree with that opinion. We also can improve our company system by enhancing our system from conventional into technological one.
I agree with this. I will help you to negotiate with the best supplier who can provide the best service but also in a moderate price.
Wow, such a nice teamwork from all of you. You guys make me proud so much. So, since everyone has no issue with this agenda, I think we already reached the end of our meeting.
Okay.
Since all of you have updated about all project clearly, and it is a good progression to know, I think we can conclude our meeting today. For the implementation, our project can proceed due to what you have planned. We have planned. I hope this project can give big impact to this company and increase our productivity. Once I come back from conference, we will have another meeting to know our successful project. And Miss Haidia,
Yes.
can you repeat the point that we have discussed just now?
Okay. From the meeting that we have just discussed just now. Okay. In order to make the work environment safer, Mr. Izzat already finalized the suppliers except for the user ID supplier, and he's still searching for the best one project. And Miss Azia will help him, and the budget are relevant to be proceed. Okay, for progression in updating facilities, I already called the construction company to build the toilet and parking area that can meet the requirement for disabled-friendly workers. And Miss Eliani already go through the budget, and the budget are sufficient enough for this project. And lastly, for the workers' training to reduce paper usage, Ms. Azan already discussed with Department of Environment to get the contribution in providing environment talk that relate with the effect of paper usage to our workers, and she will change our company documentation keeping using Google Drive system, and the budget are already proposed to Ms. Iliani. That's all.
Okay. So before that, to those who monitor every project, please make sure to handle this project efficiently. And also all updated progressing for every project, you can inform directly to my PA. And any urgent matter for this project can contact me directly. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So we can end our meeting and we will meet again on next meeting. Thank you for all of your contribution and great progression, and you guys can leave. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Welcome.